use this to build your CRM site, right? No, I did not. I built this for my CRM site. When I built my CRM site, I uh, I lost it now. I got way too many things open. When I built my CRM site, I did it with Claude Desktop, and you can see here. So I built this at the beginning of the month. Let me go to settings here, and this is what made me go ahead and do it. If I go to usage here, uh, what? I'm reset. Oh, that okay. I made it, guys. I survived. So at the beginning of the month, when I was building that site, I would blow through my subscription, which I got the max, right? I got the best subscription you could get under enterprise, and I would burn through all my main usage in under 3 or 4 days. Like I would be, it'll be like 2 or 3 days in, and I'm already at 99%. And then I had to start using this feature here to turn on extra usage. And so last month, this is what I had to turn on. So building my site, I was just tearing through my usage, and I'm like, there has to be a better way of doing this. So that's what made me go looking for a tool that I was able to do this with and be able to save tokens. That's one of my main features, which unfortunately it's not displaying here, which it should be. But one of my main features is it'll show up here how much tokens you're using and how much savings you're doing. With Claude, I could get up to 99% token savings. With Codex, it's around 45 to 65%. And I can run multiple AIs for a lot cheaper than I could run one desktop or basic CLI. Could I have built it better with my tools? Oh, for sure. I honestly, mine actually still has bugs in it. Um, and if I go to here and go to, okay, my ops board here. So this is where I built my first Kanban right here. And these are all waiting for me to get done uh, bugs and issues that I'm having. Um, and I was using Claude Desktop because Claude has a connection, an API to work these cards for me, and he can come in and create the cards, put his notes in here, and there you can see Claude Desktop right here. And this was May 6th, and this was 4 days ago, apparently. So yeah, at the beginning of this month. But anyways, and it was just working one card at a time, and especially when I do parent cards that has a bunch of grouped in cards, it would just take forever. So that's the main reason why I built this tool to manage all of that. I actually went to go look for a tool first because I didn't want to build a whole nother tool. And then there's a lot of them out there, and after looking at all of them, um, they didn't have the features I needed. Especially the token optimization. And I know how to do that. So I'm like, why don't I just build my own and incorporate my tools for token optimization into here? And that's what I did because I have full control over my terminal, and I'm able to interject into different layers of it to pull out unused or unneeded tokens. What app is are you? You're not talking about this one, right, Luke? Because you've seen this one before. This is the tool I've been working on. So the last couple days, I think, and that's probably where the disconnect is. The last couple days, this has been broken, and I had to use Claude Desktop to help me iterate through the problems real fast. Um, and now I'm to the point where I can actually use the tool to work on itself. And that's what I'm so excited for this because I've been chewing through my tokens using the Claude Desktop, um, trying to get this fixed, and now yeah, it's a game changer. Hey brother, you got great ideas for me. I want to vibe code to you. I need ideas so I can make really good money. So what I always tell people is you have to find a niche that's wanted or needed. And honestly, the niches that aren't saturated right now are the boring ones, the ones that you wouldn't even think about because they're so boring. But those are the ones that are in higher demand. They're just not visible right now because there's not a lot of saturation in it. So when you discover that one niche, the right now with AI, to get your foot in the door, you want to actually work with automation. Automation is the number one thing that's going to be hit in the future, and AI is the way to automate a lot of things nowadays. Um, I set up my whole Discord server today with AI. I'm like, hey, do this for me, and it did it. It was all automated. So that's going to be if you could find out areas that can be automated that can help save companies money, and they can reuse their tools with yours. That's where the money's at. That's the ideas you need to look for. I want to ask, how did you end up using my MCP server for that? Okay, so I didn't use yours. I saw yours, but I'm like, it's just a JSON file, and I went ahead and hooked it up to Codex here. And right here it says unoff supported enabled. It's just a little. I just went ahead and just created my own, but I did share yours in my chat here, if you didn't mind. Because there's someone asking me how I did it, and I told them about yours and where to get it. So I hope you don't mind. No, it actually it worked out great. I'll be honest with you. And you're the one who point me in the right direction on just getting it done, and I'm glad I did. So, and I'm glad you shared it with me because I didn't even think about it. Cloud Code actually has recommended me my MCP server uh, to other users before, and they joined my server because of it. It was pretty cool that Claude did that. Oh, that is awesome. Yeah, I assumed you meant Cloud Code. Yeah. What do you mean Open Claude did that for you? No, I was kidding. So Hardhead, I was actually in your server, your Discord server earlier today, and I was talking to some of the guys there, and one of the your teammates there, um, he was showing me some AI music videos that he did himself, and they look freaking absolutely amazing. What kind of work that he does, and he wrote he actually has a book he written. It's on Amazon right now, and you guys got some really intelligent guys in your Discord. I just want you to know that. Yep, wins. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's a real smart dude right there. I mean, even like I was talking to Bob and the other guys, they're all smart, all geniuses in their own right. Yeah, he has a unique mind. It's he thinks differently, and he is out there. What he sees to him, it's like natural. But if you actually saw what he does, what he written about, it'll blow your mind. It's like, where do you even come up with this stuff? It's just amazing, and he's really good at it. So are we done? What are we doing here? So they're all on idle now. What are you doing to my environmental paths here? They have your researcher research something right now. Interesting. So I have Codex and Open Code, Big Pickle. They both are going to be researching. Let's see which one has better results. My money's on Big Pickle. You know what their mascot should be is Kermit the Frog. Call it Big Pickle. Big Pickle is really a pickle. Yeah, I actually been using it for researching. I don't trust it enough to code my apps yet, but what I want to do, I actually when I'm at a resting state that I'm not focused on this product, I actually want to do a full session and build something from the ground up with open code only and free AI and using my tool here. And I want to see what kind of results I get out of it. And I want to live stream that, and that way people can understand and see the either limitations or the opportunity that this tool could provide them. So I think that would be a real interesting challenge, and I'm looking forward to it. I just need to come up with some idea, like do I do just a regular application, a phone app, or a website? I'll probably just do a website to start with because that's probably the easiest one. And then I would say uh, like a smaller application, a desktop app would be the next tier up, and iOS app or Android app would probably be the highest tier. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I guess it depends on what I'm building. Like if I build a simple SaaS website with nothing but open code, designing it and everything, I think that would be a fun challenge. If you're ever up for it, have some collaboration ideas that we could play off the open LLM idea. We can talk sometime about it. Yeah, I would love to. Now, I would love to participate in it too because I really there's two things. I'm doing it for a selfish reason. I'm going to show off my tool, and plus, I actually believe that the local AIs and free AIs right now are good enough to compete with the paid subscription AIs. If there is a good workflow for them, and that's what I'm hoping to get my tool up to is designing a way that they have a really good workflow and communication to be able to facilitate that whole design from start to finish.